Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here we can see again that the merge didn't really have a very beneficial effect on the price. That is always why I say it's better to follow the waves and not the news. It's better to follow the waves and not the headlines, because the waves did call for a price increase, but only in the less likely event, in the alternative scenario. And there were clear conditions that needed to be fulfilled to do this, and they weren't fulfilled. Instead, Ethereum followed the primary expectation, which was a move down into the wave C area straight away. Now we're not there yet, but we're getting closer and closer. Overnight we had another low here for Ethereum, and this now calls for not really a substantial recovery anymore. It suggests that we get into this area fairly quickly. That is how I would see it. Therefore, I have removed one of the other wave counts from the chart. I don't think that we had here a wave 1 complete anymore. I don't think that's anymore likely. And we talked about that yesterday, and there was one yellow wave count that I've now taken off the chart. So I think we're going to go down a little bit faster, but if the blue wave count is followed, which I explained in the previous video, we should not get very deep into this green area. So if the green count is being followed, which would be a diagonal, then we might only see another 10% drop or so. But again, I'm going to take you through the possibilities. There's another one I thought about. And in the end, always what I need to stress, what I show you here in these videos are possibilities, what the market is capable of. Different ideas that allow you to understand the risk and understand the Elliott Waves, give you orientation in the market, understand key support, resistance, turning points, and so on. I can't promise you which of these scenarios is going to play out. This is just impossible. And that's the same with any TA. Nobody is going to be able to tell you or promise you which scenario is going to work out. Of course, there are preferences. There are scenarios which look better, also in terms of the proportions and in terms of following the rules of the wave principle. And they are more likely to play out. But, as long as it's a valid count, different scenarios are possible. And I think it has a lot of benefit to understand the different possibilities and then to understand which is the most likely one. Okay, and what is the most likely, or what are the most likely scenarios now? So we talked in the previous video about this here possibly being a 5-wave move down. Now, I would give it one more possibility here, that this was a wave 5 down, but I would see this with some caution. If we follow the yellow count, it would mean that this was a wave 1, and we're going to see a wave 2 to the upside. The problem why this gets unlikely now is because then we are losing the space on the lower end. The wave 1, if it is so long, then the wave 2 also would need to be very long in order to give the wave 3 some space. Because otherwise we're going to go down quite a lot. So you say, okay, this was a wave 1. This here would need to be a wave 2, but again, the wave 2 will get unreliable if we move above the 78.6% fib level. The wave 3 needs some space, then there will be a 4 and a 5. So it is possible still, but with the latest drop below the intraday low, not my preferred option anymore. Then we've got the green count here, which is very much possible. I told you yesterday that this would become my primary expectation if we drop below the intraday low. So we have here a blue wave 1 that finished actually on the 13th of, on the 14th of September, And we moved up in a wave 2, coming down in a 3 now. That would be a diagonal pattern. That could be finished, that wave 3, possibly, yeah. Need some more confirmation for that. Then we'll see a very slight wave 4 retracement. Yeah, so if this happens, if you see a retracement now, and that would be somewhat in the region between 1496 and 1551, and then a wave 5 down, you know, then you pretty much, when you see that retracement in a wave 4, which is limited by 1551, we can be very certain that we really are in this scenario, or alternatively if we go down a little bit more. And yeah, I think these are the key scenarios. The gray one here, you know, for simplicity reasons, I'm going to take it off the chart as well, because we dropped below the intraday low yesterday. There is one more, how this can be counted, which is here as an ABC. So maybe I leave it on the chart, but it would suggest that the A wave was here, finished here, like the blue wave 1. That this was a wave B, and we are now already in the C wave, in the white C wave. That would then be within a higher level WXY pattern. I explained that yesterday as well. So don't worry that the wave ABC is here in a C wave. That's just, you know, just a possibility. It would be a different higher level assumption then. So here in this wave count, we would say, all right, we are in a wave C already. Here in white, yeah, not gray, in white. And that in this move down, maybe I'll do that with a white wave count as well, that we have seen here a 1, a 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 should still be ongoing. That would be wave 3 then. Or finished here, but I think it should go lower. Then there will be a 4 and a 5. Again, a very similar count. That would be white. Just so that you have the different possibilities on the radar, yeah? So you have this ABC pattern here, and we would be in the wave C, so go down straight away, maybe with here and there a little bit of retracement. You've got the blue wave count, which is very, very similar. Also here you would expect at some point here now a wave 4 retracement, which can be very weak, to be fair, very weak. And then a move down, so they are pretty much aligned. And well, in the yellow count, we would expect still a stronger retracement, but I can't see that. That is not very likely anymore. With the latest drop below the intraday low, can I rule it out? No. But is it probable? No. And these are the key scenarios. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more to my portfolio here in the region between 1330 and 1130. Let's see if we get there. In all scenarios, we would at least expect a little bit of a retracement very soon. Yeah, in a wave 4, and then come down in a wave 5. No, in these two. Yeah, a wave 4 here, and here wave 4, and then coming down in a wave 5. And yeah, I'll keep you updated here. Yeah, I think in both of these scenarios, we are soon going to come to an end anyway. Maybe another 10-15% drop. That would take us into the green area. And we also would see only shallow retracements. I mean, if we really follow the yellow count, which I think has become improbable, we would see a larger retracement, and that would go above 1550. So if we go above 1550, then again it becomes more likely that we're in the yellow count. Then we need to expect an even stronger retracement, because a move down above 1550, yeah, that would mean we are probably not in that wave 4 anymore. And yeah, then we're looking here at the retracements for a wave 2. Could without a problem get sort of into the region 1616 to 1714, but I don't think it's probable. I don't think it's likely. So I think that's going to be an interesting weekend. Lower prices expected based on this now anyway, especially as we dropped below 1500 yesterday. We closed the daily candle below 1500. That was a key support level that I said we need to hold to enable the bullish scenario still to play out. Didn't happen, so yeah. We're following the waves. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.